Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making a blueberry cheesecake. So I don't like a lot of the crust on my cheesecake. I like a slight crust. So I've adapted this. I've got a 1/4 cup of butter, melted butter. To that I'm going to add a cup of graham cracker crumbs, and we're going to mix that around and get it all nice and wet. Then I'm going to pour it into, I'm using an old aluminum pie pan, into a pie pan. And I'm going to have to use my fingers and stick it to the spoon. Going to press it down into a nice even crust and set it aside. I'm going to grab my food processor . And into that I'm going to be adding three 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. They recommend your cream cheese be at room temperature, but you can do this with cold cream cheese. And I know there's people that's going to be saying, oh, he's not using gloves. Well, you're not eating the food, so you shouldn't worry about it. If you want to wear gloves, you wear gloves. But I'm not going to all that expense just to feed myself. down in there. Go wash my hands off. And to this, I'm going to be adding, I didn't put any sugar in the graham cracker crust. Should have added 2 tablespoons of sugar to the graham cracker crust. Three-quarters cup of sugar. What? And this is going to be a little difficult. It's cold, but I'm going to go ahead and try to do it anyways. Let's plug this booger in. And oh, it would help if I put the blade in. And now I want to add 3 eggs. And a teaspoon of vanilla. This big old clump down in there. That's mixed up enough. Oh. I still got some clumps. And I'm gonna preheat my oven to 325. Let's get my blueberries out. Give them a bit of a rinse. And I've got about 8 ounces of blueberries. And I'm going to add most of them because I want some to not be so chopped up. Give that a bit of puree. Add the rest of my blueberries. And give it a quick pulse to mix them in. Then, let's get rid of this food processor so that we have some room here on the table. I'm going to pour this into my pie shell. Blade out. And I'm going to stick this in my oven. Ooh. I forgot about the pots and pans in my oven. On the top of a cookie sheet just in case it spills a little or bakes over. And I'm going to bake this for 55 minutes. So I'll be back when it's done. Hi, I'm back and the cheesecake is done. I've cut a piece. It's not bad. It has a light blueberry flavor. If you wanted more blueberry flavor, you could put blueberry pie filling on top of it or something like that. This didn't turn out too bad. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you.